Hello guys, how you all doing? Wow, I can't actually believe I'm actually here. Like, I set up my camera to make a video. Oh god, it's been a long year. It's been a ride. I haven't been on YouTube for almost a year, and due to certain circumstances I've not been here. But yeah, today I decided to set up my camera to do something special for you guys. So yeah, if you are just coming to my channel for the first time, or you come across this video for the first time, my name is Ediri Igoroje. I'm the brand owner of Didi Signature. I'm a mom, I'm a content creator, a YouTuber, a beauty educator. So basically what we do here in this channel is we create beauty content, we do lifestyle vlog, that's basically like things relative to God. And on this channel there is no bullying at all. It's not accepted. We share love and light. So please, if you enjoy my content, please don't forget to hit the subscription button, because that's why we are here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for my old subscribers, oh my god, you guys are the best. You guys have been here through thick and thin with me. No matter what, you guys are still here. You guys are not unsubscribing to my channel. Anyways, I've been posting on short. If you come across my short, I've been there consistently. But for my long videos, it has really been a challenge for me. But yeah, we are here now. We are doing this. So today's video is going to be a mini vlog. I'm going to be showing you guys some few makeup tips. Guess what, YouTube called, and I definitely answered. So we ran a short program, a YouTube short program, and I was among the people that graduated. So guess what, we're having a graduation party. Woo, 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 woo. I'm so excited because, man, I'm going out. So I'm going to carry you guys along on me getting ready, my makeup, my dress, and girl gotta look fly. So I'll be carrying you guys along the whole event. So stick to my channel because you're going to enjoy this video. Okay, let's get right into it. So first, I love to do my eye makeup. First, it's very comfortable for me when I'm doing my personal makeup. I just do my eyes, fix my lashes. So we're going to do that now. I'll be using this palette from RLG Cosmetics. We're doing something very subtle, like a natural looking makeup. So I'm just going to build up my crease. You want to make sure that you are blending out, like it's really smooth. Make sure that you are using a matte eyeshadow. So I'm just going to place this, will I call it wine or guys, I'll be going into lashes, and I'll be using this lashes from Dark Cosmetics. This is my lash brand, so don't forget to patronize. We have luxurious different kinds of lashes. So I'm going to use one. I think I'm going to use this style. I think I'm going to put the page, I'm going to put the lash style that I use, so you guys can as well get the lashes. Okay, so guys, before fixing your lashes, make sure you take off this excess ends. Just cut it off, or always try to make sure that you shape the lashes first, so you know the length. If it's something that you have to reduce, if it's longer than your eyelid or something, then you can like cut the excess either from the end or from the beginning, depending on the part you don't want. I'm going to show you guys how a coily lash girl fix her lashes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my mascara to take down my lash hair. I'm going to tuck them in. Get those ones flying out of place. I'm simply just going to tuck them in. I'm done with my eyes. Next, I'm going to go into prepping my skin. Oh my god, you have a child. Like, so I'm going to go into prepping my skin, foundation, and basically wrap up doing my makeup. I'm not going to do any voicing because my madam is awake. So I'm just going to allow you guys. Makeup, so I'm going to head over to put on my dress and finish the rest of the look. I hope this makeup is giving the way I'm thinking. You guys let me know in the comment section if the makeup is actually god. And I am ready, about to head out. My ride is here. Okay, what do you guys think? How do I look? Oh my god. I look so good. And to think that this hair, I've had it since 2020 and it's still giving. I actually turned the frontal to a closure, so it's like easy for me. I don't have to start thinking about how I want to style it, and it's giving, guys. The whole look. My dress was from Ebele Ego. My sister always takes care of my outfit, and I appreciate her so much. You guys, run to our Instagram page, patronize her. Our stores are good, like neat. She pays attentions to details. You know what I'm saying? Like, for me to like it, meaning like is 100, because it's not because she's my sister or because she does a really, really, really good job, and I can trust her any day, anytime. So, guys, go patronize her. And I love my look. I need to step out now. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys when I get to the party. Signing out. Yeah. Igoroji. IGHORO. One more time, I am one of them, and so are you. So let us praise the Lord. Right hand, left, right, left. Do you know? This is like past 11. it You wouldn't know the funniest thing that happened to me. Like, I wanted to create like my closing video when I was still there, but I couldn't because for some weird reason my phone just froze. As in, I couldn't even book ride, I couldn't do anything. It was crazy. Thank God I still had my sister's number of heart, and I could call. They helped me book my ride. before I got home, yada yada yada. Like, it was just crazy. But oh, guys, it's like, you guys are going to see all the videos. It was an experience. Like, I danced, I ate, I connected with other creators. Like, it was a wonderful experience. Okay, let me just quickly show you guys my certificate. Look at it. YouTube shop made for you. Like, guys, I graduated. Can you see? Can you see? As in, look at my name. Look at the thing. This is for real, guys. I'm so excited. Like, because for some weird reason, I usually don't indulge myself in things like this, or I don't just get noticed for stuff like this. I used to be like that person that would see like people going for events. I'll be like, okay, how come this is happening and I didn't know about it? Where am I? What am I doing? Am I not in this industry? Am I not supposed to, like stuff like that? And I would just be sad. So somehow I just said, okay, let me register for this thing. And I didn't even think they were going to pick me, but yeah, I qualified to join the program, and of course I followed up and I graduated. Like, I'm really so excited. Sorry, there's no lights. Nigeria, my country, no light. I got home and we don't have light. But yeah, I said nothing is going to hold me from making this closing video and telling you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you watched this video up to this point, meaning you enjoyed this content. If you are new here, thank you for coming, for stopping by. My name again is Ejiri Igoroje. I'm the brand owner of Didi Signature. Please don't leave without clicking on the subscription button. Like my video, comment. You can watch other content. I post a lot of short. I would be trying my best to keep up with posting some long video content for you guys. And yeah, I'm really so excited. The event was, I don't know if you guys can feel my voice. I screamed, I danced, like, I had fun. I haven't had this much fun in a long time. Okay, guys, I'm going to close up this video. I'm going to finish up with my skincare. I'll be putting on this retinol. I already had like my hyaluronic acid serum on my face. Then I'm going to put on this retinol, then moisturize, and just go to bed, relax. Like, I feel so good. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking to my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.